Hello friends, this is AJ from MS Excel by AJ. Today we will be discussing about HLOOKUP function of MS Excel. Let us begin. HLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up and retrieve the data from a specific row of a table. HLOOKUP works very similar to VLOOKUP. By the way, H in HLOOKUP stands for horizontal. Okay? In HLOOKUP, the lookup values appear in the first row of the table array, whereas in VLOOKUP, the lookup values appear in the first column of the table array. So the major difference, or in HLOOKUP probably I can say we are going to deal with the rows, whereas in VLOOKUP we have to deal with the columns. Now the only difference in the syntax of HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP falls in third parameter. For VLOOKUP, the third parameter is column index, whereas in HLOOKUP, the third parameter is row index. Okay. Now let us quickly look at the syntax of HLOOKUP. This is fairly similar to VLOOKUP. The only difference is the third parameter. In VLOOKUP, it's column index. In HLOOKUP, it is row index, as I have written. Now if you need more details about this particular syntax, I would request you to watch the video that I have uploaded on VLOOKUP. The link of the video is updated in the description below. Now let us quickly move on to the examples. Both these examples are based on this particular table. Name of this table is employee details. In the first example, we need to find out salary of employee ID AB0004. Since we need to find out the information about AB0004, our lookup value becomes AB0004. Let us write down the formula. HLOOKUP tab. Let us select the lookup value. Now since our lookup value falls in the first row of the employee details table, our table array starts from that particular row. Select the entire table, comma. Now the row index is nothing but the row from where we need to retrieve the information. From lookup row, annual row stands at 6th position. Annual salary stands at 6th position. Hence our row index becomes 6, 0, because we need to get the exact value. Enter $99,000. This is the answer. Let us cross check. Extremely sorry. AB004 employee ID and the annual salary is 99,000. Yes, we are right. Now let's move on to example number 2. In second example, we need to find the last name of Mona. Since it is about Mona, our lookup value becomes Mona. Let us write down the formula HLOOKUP tab. Select the lookup value, comma. Since our lookup value starts from the second row of the given table, our table array begins from the second row of the given table. Okay. Let us select the entire table from the second row, comma. Since now our information that we have to retrieve falls just below the row of the lookup row, the index becomes 2, 0, and let's close the closing parenthesis. Trump is the answer. So here is the answer for us. Mona's last name is Trump. So guys, this is it from my side on HLOOKUP. I hope you have understood the video. I would request you, if you have really understood the video, please click on the like button. I would also request you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you very much for seeing the video. Bye bye.